Loosen up your muscles just a little bit. Good. Just let your head drop. Just going to bring it inside here. Just going to relax. A little bit more. Good. Good. Let's do the other side now.
That was good.
You like that? Just going to check this side. Good. Just going to move your hair a little bit. Drop your head a little bit. A little bit more. Just going to just gently come inside here. Relax your nose. Good. Good.
Oh, that was loud.
There you go.
Really loud.
That was like a golf ball.
Did you hear that?
Yes, we did.
YouTube world, did you hear that? Oh my gosh. That was
Perfect.
so loud.
Perfect. Let's try stretching now.